Open formal notice template. Insert today's date. Next field. Sosumi Inc. Next field. Sosumi. Next field. Insert Sosumi address. Next field. Jim Crutchfield. Next field. Mr. Crutchfield. Next field. Keemans Inc. Next field. Keemans. Next field. Save as. Caps on. Formal notice letter. Hyphen. Jim Crutchfield and Sosumi Inc. Click Save. Dear Sir, next paragraph. We are the attorneys representing Keemans Inc. and have been instructed by our client to forward the present letter to you. Period. Next paragraph. As you are all aware, during the course of his employment with Keemans, Mr. Crutchfield, as the former Director of Sales with Keemans, executed both a confidentiality agreement and a non-competition agreement, open paren, the, open quote, agreements, close quote, close paren, pursuant to which Mr. Crutchfield undertook, in favor of Keemans, to refrain from, letter bullets on, no caps, divulging any confidential information obtained from Keemans, semicolon, next line, competing with Keemans, semicolon, and, next line, soliciting any of Keemans, apostrophe, suppliers, distributors, and clients, period, letter bullets off. Our client has informed us that Mr. Crutchfield, after having voluntarily left the employ of Keemans, has become a majority shareholder in a company under the name of Sosumi, through which Mr. Crutchfield, acting on behalf of Sosumi, is presently violating the provisions of the agreements, in general, and in particular, Mr. Crutchfield is illegally utilizing confidential information for the purpose of soliciting clients in direct competition with Keemans, period. These acts also constitute breaches of Mr. Crutchfield's duties as set forth in Article 2088 of the Civil Code of Quebec, period. Next paragraph. Accordingly, on behalf of our client, we hereby formally put Mr. Crutchfield, as well as the current shareholders and employees of Sosumi, on notice to immediately cease and desist any and all activities in contravention of the agreements, period. We hereby further notify you that, in the event of your failure to comply with the present notice, within 10 days of your receipt thereof, Mr. Crutchfield and Sosumi will become liable for a penalty in the amount of $1 million. Open paren, as set forth in Section 5 of the non-competition agreement. Close paren, the whole without prejudice to our client, apostrophe S, right to initiate the proper legal proceedings in order to, insert Roman numeral 1, enjoin you from further violations of the agreements and, insert Roman numeral 2, claim any and all damages suffered by our client as a consequence of your breach of the agreements, the whole without any further notice or delay, period. Next paragraph. Please be advised that failure to remedy the aforementioned breach within the aforesaid 10 day delay from your receipt of this letter, our client will initiate the appropriate legal proceedings against you and shall avail itself of all its rights and recourses resulting from your failure to comply, period. Scroll down 20 lines. Send as attachment. Paul Samuels. Go to CC field. Melanie Foster. Go to body field. Dear Paul, comma. Next paragraph. As per our previous discussion, comma, please review the legal letter which will be forwarded to Jim Crutchfield and Sosumi Inc. Period. Forward me your comments and I will make the appropriate revisions and then send it off to them. Period. Insert signature. Click send.